What's up, Wagwan? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I easily install these goddess locks on myself in under 2 hours. This video is sponsored by Baota hair store on Amazon. They are a crochet hair brand that provides a variety of styles and colors. I'm working with the 18 inches goddess locks in the color 1B. The package comes with 7 packs of crochet hair, a crochet needle, as well as some accessories. Each pack comes with 18 individual locks, which means you get 126 in total. I did my braiding pattern off camera, but I have 7 cornrows going down at the back while I have 10 rows at the front. This installation process is so easy to do. Once you follow these steps, you'll be able to install them yourself. I'm going to take my crochet needle and I'm going to push it under my braid. Then I'm going to attach the loop of the locks to the needle, close it and pull it through. Once I do that, I'm going to attach the end of the locks to the needle. Then I'm going to pull it through the same loop and tighten it. I'm going to repeat it a few more times so you will catch on to what I'm doing. Okay, so take your crochet needle and push it under your braid. Attach the loop of the locks to the hook, close it, then pull it through. Once you do that, you're going to attach the end of the locks, then pull it through that same loop and tighten it on your head. Crocheting is a repetitive process, so you're going to be doing the same thing until your hair is finished. This hair is perfect for beginners since it comes pre-looped, which makes it easy to install and it saves you a lot of time. You do want to make sure that you pull the curly hair through the loop as well so it can blend and stay with your locks. If you notice that there's a space between each locks at the front of my hair, I did it like this because I like to complete my whole head first and then I go in and fill in all the places where I feel I need more hair. I do this because I don't want to put everything in it one time and it just ends up being bulky. This is after I went back in to fill the gaps and the hair was still lightweight and full. I only used 6 packs because the hair was already so full. I really did not need 7. These goddess locks are also available in different colors and lengths. Again, this hair is from Baota hair store on Amazon. All their information will be listed down in my description box below, so definitely click the link to check them out.